How to add book animation in Wix Studio. So this particular animation is only applicable on the text and the button. It's not applicable on the image. So just choose which one you want. I'll actually apply it into the button. So click on your element and click on this open inspector icon that we can see right there. Now it's found under the loop. So make sure to expand that and click on add right here. You can see in here the poke option. So click on it, and then from in there, it should be able to show you in here a preview of how that will look like, just like this. You can adjust the animation, like for example, the intensity, duration, as well as repeat delay. Once you're done, make sure to click onto this publish icon right here in order to save the changes that you have made into your actual website. So that's how you add book animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.